Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about a completely unnecessary purchase I made, and by that I mean the Gucci Mini Marmont pocket bag in the most gorgeous burgundy ever. I know, I already have a burgundy bag in my collection, and one I added pretty recently too, the Isabel Marant Skano bag here. But let's be real, this Gucci bag here had me at hello, or should I say cargo had me at hello. For those who are new here, my channel has really specialized into videos about all my luxury purchases, which is why I've reduced the frequency of my videos lately. I mean, I can buy luxury items every day, right? But I can definitely make a video about every single product I do buy. And who knows, if I hit the jackpot, and I'm definitely playing to get it, maybe I'll be doing more videos. And of course, buying more luxury products to review. Just a fun thought. Let's start by talking about why I'm so obsessed with burgundy right now. Honestly, can you think of a better shade for fall? I don't think so. It's so versatile, it goes with everything. But here's the thing, burgundy isn't just a color for fall. I would say it's an all year round go-to color that elevates any outfit. And this bag you could pair with almost any look, from your cozy oversized sweaters to a sleek black leather jacket. There's just something about burgundy that makes me obsessed. Feels so luxurious and a bit mysterious too. Yeah, this shade is really intoxicating in more ways than one, and I'm pretty sure that's why I couldn't resist buying the bag. So yeah, here's the deal. I didn't need another burgundy bag because I already had this one. As I told you, this gorgeous Isabel Marant Skano bag. Pretty cool, right? With the studs and everything. But then I saw this Gucci bag on Farfetch, and now looking at the camera right now, I can see that, yeah, it may sound weird. They're both burgundy, but they're not the same shade of burgundy. Look closely. The Isabel Marant one is much darker, actually. So yeah, I saw the bag on Farfetch. They sent me the right email, I guess, if I remember well. And you know how it goes, and I should know too. But obviously, this wasn't the case. I said to myself, I just order it to check it out. No harm in that, right? I'll send it back if it's not perfect. And of course, we all know how that kind of story ends. Once it's in your hands and you feel that buttery cuff leather, and you see all that chic little pockets, how am I supposed to send it back? Don't even get me started on this double G logo. And these cargo details here had me at hello, for sure. And by the way, this is the kind of details we've seen on Miu Miu bags for quite some time. Except that Miu Miu doesn't make a gorgeous pocket bag in burgundy. So yeah, I opted for this one instead. So yeah, now I'm gonna compare it not just to the Skano bag here. In terms of dimension, it's more or less the same, except that you have a pocket at the back of the Isabel Marant bag, but also to an old Gucci bag I've had for almost 8 years. And this older Gucci bag, as you can see, I don't know the name of the model, so it's quite... it's in a bad shape, literally. But you can see it's exactly the same size and format, with almost identical dimensions, a width of 9.5 inches, a depth of 2.75 inches, and a strap length of 75 inches. So I really questioned whether I should keep this bag, given that they're so similar. But once again, the pockets are the detail that make all the difference. They just add a touch of extra practicality and style. I just couldn't resist. Talking about practicality, you can fit your AirPods, for instance, or your keys in them. They're not the easiest to navigate though. Okay, AirPods in, my keys. I don't know if they are too long, but I could probably fit my keys in there too, in the other pocket. And it certainly wasn't the far-fetched package that won me over. The bag arrived in a plain cardboard box, and yeah, it came with the dust bag. But yeah, the box was kind of overwhelming given the price of the bag. It didn't look very sturdy as well. But yeah, the bag arrived unscathed. No problem about that. Otherwise, I would not be showing it to you today in this video. I guess, as we say in French, peu importe le flacon pourvu qu'on ait l'ivresse. And in this case, more specifically, peu importe le carton pourvu qu'on ait le sac ou l'ivresse. The important thing is what's inside, in a nutshell. By the way, if you're already loving this bag as much as I do, I've put the link to buy it in the description box below, just so you don't have to wait until the end of the video. Now, let's break down why this bag is so darn irresistible. First up, as I said, Burgundy calf leather. It's the kind of leather that truly makes you feel you're holding a piece of luxury. And then there's the Marmont quilting. This isn't just any quilting. This is the signature Marmont quilting that adds just the right amount of texture and dimension to the bag. And yeah, it's like this bag is giving you a subtle wink, and you have the most perfect blend of silver and gold in a hardware. It's gold tone, technically not too golden, not too silvery. Perfect. It means you can pair it to silver or gold jewelry or both in the most perfect way. And it's got a nice weight to it as well, which adds to the luxury experience. Not too heavy, not too light. Another great detail, the adjustable leather and chain strap. Whether you want to wear it crossbody like so or over the shoulder, this bag has you covered. And again, the pockets. If you're like me and you're into the whole cargo chic vibe, this bag is basically the holy grail. With, unlike the Miu Miu bag I mentioned, this has got 2 zip compartments to keep your essentials organized but also easy to reach, because the pockets are at the front of the bag. Practical and stylish, sign me up. And let me tell you, I've already worn this bag a lot. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen some of the looks I've put together with it, because this bag again is seriously versatile. I've worn this bag with a sleek slip dress or with other darker looks. You can see it's working very well with what I'm wearing today, a pinstripe top. I've clashed with a python miniskirt, and yeah, it perfectly complements both, I would say. It's just, this bag is just one of the pieces that literally works with everything. I've worn it with Burgundy, as I told you, but I love how you can add a puff of color to any outfit too. Talking about color, it pairs so well with my Isabelle Marant sandals. Way better than the Skano bag, but that's another topic. It's really like they were made for each other. But honestly, I could easily swap the sandals for sneakers if I wanted a more casual vibe, my Nike sneakers. And for the cooler days, I could pair this beauty with my Miu Miu double monk shoes. I made a video about them, and make sure you watch it if you want to buy them, if you want to buy the Miu Miu brogues. Because let me tell you, the sizing is really tricky, so you better watch my video or you will probably end up with the wrong size. Just saying. And talking about fall, yeah, Burgundy is clearly the big color and shade for fall, but I've already been loving it for a few months now. As a matter of fact, as I told you, I bought this bag before summer started. I've been ahead of the trend. I love this color, and actually I've been wearing this color since last spring on repeat with gray and pretty much every other color. And yet the possibilities with this bag are almost endless because the color is really chic and it goes with everything. So this bag is clearly not just a seasonal fling. It's a solid investment piece I feel I'm gonna reach for year after year, precisely because burgundy is a timeless color. It's very trendy at the moment, but really it's a timeless color. And also, talking about timeless, I mean, the quality of Gucci's craftsmanship means this bag will last you for ages. It's a very supple leather. It's not lambskin, so it's sturdy. Even if you're just going out to grab coffee, this bag will clearly make you feel like you've got your life together. And I really think this little arm candy here could double up as a conversation starter as well. And also, let's not forget the resale value. I bought this bag for 1980 euros. I think it might stay in there as an evergreen in their collection. As you may know, this kind of evergreen pieces only gets more expensive year after year. So if you ever decide to part with it, though I don't know why you would, Gucci bags hold their value pretty well. And I realize I've not opened the bag. So yeah, it came with these cards, and inside you're gonna find this pocket. And so yeah, it's not leather lining, but you can see it's a very chic beige, which goes really nicely with the burgundy. Alright, so if you're as in love with this bag as I am and you're ready to treat yourself, you'll find the link to snag it on Farfetch in the description box below. Just a heads up though, once you see it in person, it's pretty much game over. So don't say I didn't warn you. So that's the scoop on the Gucci Mini Marmont pocket bag. Unnecessary? Maybe, but totally worth it? Absolutely. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever had a cargo at hello moment with a bag. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future handbag obsessions. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you in the next one with the next buy. Stay tuned and stay stylish, everyone. Vi prego una buona giornata, baci e scialate vila.